Woman reportedly charged for gun possession in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 19-year-old Kimberly Quest, otherwise called Kim, and 18-year-old Keisha McDonald, otherwise called Danny, both bartenders of New Works, Westmoreland, have been charged with illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition and being in possession of identity information following an incident in their community on Saturday, May 29. Reports from the Salvamore police are that about 3:15 p.m., a police team conducted a raid at a bar where both Quest and McDonald are employed. During a search of the bar, a green camouflage bag that was seen hanging on a nail behind the counter was searched, and a Browning 9mm pistol containing a magazine with 11 9mm cartridges were reportedly found. A further search of the bag revealed 6 more 9mm cartridges and one lead sheet containing names and addresses and telephone numbers of people living overseas. They were both taken into custody by the police. Quest and McDonald's were subsequently charged on the basis of constructive possession of items that were found in their workplace. Their court date has not yet been finalized. The police are continuing with their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.